All right, guys, so it turns out Stark Vargs can make entire off-road races. That's right, my friend Sam Evans sent me this post from Matt Berger02 on Instagram. Said had an amazing day yesterday racing the Stark Future Official Varg at the last round of the Mid-East GPs. Let's look at some details. He says, this bike is a whole shot machine. Yes, I know it's cheating since I don't have to start the bike, just twist and go. Huge shout out to my wife for all her help support the race. He ended up 4th in 25 plus and 10th in B class. Track conditions were deep and muddy, guys. That's battery sucking power right there. The ultimate test for the Varg's battery life. A 40-minute race. I think this is pretty standard with most GPs, 40-45 minutes. 50-50 woods and moto, and he ended with 30% battery. He does say his first race was at 10 a.m., second was at 1 p.m., and he had plenty of time to pressure wash and get the bike fully charged using a 220-volt generator. Now, a lot of you guys will say, well, not everybody has 220-volt generators at the track. It's true, but also in motocross, you're not normally running 45 minutes straight and then another 45 straight. You're going to have time in between. You could probably get the same thing done with 110 volts. He says he used 60 horsepower mode on the start, switched between 50 and 40 horsepower in the woods, moto respectively. And if you guys have watched my videos, you know that's kind of been the sweet spot for me too. I'm a little heavier than him. I like 43 horsepower in the woods and 52 horsepower on the track. So we're right there in the same range. I think this is super cool. Yeah, great work, Matt.